Welcome back to my channel, Magical Crypto. In today's video, I am going to share detail about NFT-based project, how we can open the NFT. Today we are going to share each and everything. If you are new on the channel, you can easily subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. So first of all, you can also create your account with your Google, Capture, and email. You can continue with using BNB or other chain and token pocket wallet, and we are going to connect. Once you confirm, your account will be ready successfully. Next, you can explore what are the daily reward like 10 GD token. You can even check out and explore different NFTs that has been listed here. You can also create your own, but for that I am also going to show you that how we can create NFT. Step by step. First of all, I will show you how to deposit balance. You have to copy this address, come into your wallet that actually we are going to using here, Trust Wallet, in which I have balance, so I am going to using that. You can also use your own one. And then you have to click on the next option. And here it will require one content that we are going to using here. And I am going to give in the permission. After the progress, our transaction is being done. Once it will be submitted and it will be analyzed here, you can come back and you will see our deposit has been added. Next, we can also use these balance to pass pay in their card. We can also get some reward that can be exchanged. Even there are also different chance and you can also get there. What the reward you are going to gain, you can easily swap. And once it will be done, then here is also the reward. And next, you are also for the first time, so you can also explore here, newcomer reward. As a GT token, that is also the game currency. And after coming on it, you can also get some daily check-in rewards. So here you can easily claim all these rewards. And next, you can also get their GT token too. For that, you have to put the number of token, what number you want, and then it will be given, and here you can check out your balance in GT token. If you want to create your NFT, as you have already explored, you understand how it works, and your NFT section will be shown here. You can easily click on the home interface, and then here are the create NFT, where you can place any picture, give the name, and then you have to select the category. There are also 6 salmon categories. I have uploaded the picture aboard NFT, and next we are going to submit it. Once team will review, it will be done for the listing option, and you can come in the GT option as token for pool. You can put the number and go for add, and there are different number of present you can get once your pollution will be unlocked. This is not yet completed here. You can visit how many people already participated. You can even enjoy with your friends. You can copy this link, share to your friends, invite them, and have a good time on it. Such a good project. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next.